Hi student, I am Abdul sir from AJ Academy. So I would like to give you some tips of spoken English. How can you improve your spoken English and not only spoken but also your grammar, and then how can you improve your reading comprehension skills, and how can you improve your all over the English now. So firstly I want to give you, there are three type of English here: basic English, okay, and then intermediate English, and then advanced English. Three type of English are here. So you are beginner here, so I will start from the basic English here. After completing your basic English, then I will start your intermediate English, then after last advanced English. So this is a basic English. This thing I am going to teach you basic English. So I am going to rough if this thing. Now basic English. What is basic English? So basic English is called a sentence making English. Sentence making English. How can you make? I will write again here sentence. How can you improve, and how will you improve your sentence making? You know, this thing I am going to teach you firstly. Sentence making. So firstly, thousands of sentences you must know. Thousands of sentences you must know. Thereafter, if you have lots of sentences, you have a knowledge of lots of sentences, thousands of sentences you have, so easily you will be able to speak, you will be able to read, as well as you will be able to spoken English. So this is a sentence making English I am going to teach you. So here I am drawing one chart here. Okay, I am drawing here one chart here. In this chart, I will give you. I will write here some. Okay. Yes. Now this is a one simple chart here. This is present, past, and then future. Okay. Now this is indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. First column I am writing here do. Second one am. Third one have. And fourth one have been. Now did, was, had, and had been. Will be, will have, will have been. So this is do, am, have, and have been, present, and past did, was, had, and had been. This is a past, present, and future will be, will have, and last one is will have been. So this is a basic helping of here. So with the help of this helping verb, we have to make a thousands of sentences with the help of the helping verb. So I am going to rough it. Then again I will draw one chart. I am drawing here another chart, the same chart, but it will be large in size, because in this chart we will write here Hindi sentences and then English sentences. Same chart. Yes. Okay. Same chart here. I have drawn. This is present, as I told you, past, and future, indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Here I am writing one example. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. Now here मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. Now मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँ. मैं 1 आवर से स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. Now this is past, so मैं स्कूल जाता था या मैं स्कूल गया. वन मोर, मैं स्कूल गया था. और सेम सेंटेंस है. मैं स्कूल जाता था या मैं स्कूल गया या मैं स्कूल गया था. और सेम सेंटेंस. मैं स्कूल जा रहा था. मैं स्कूल जा रहा था. मैं स्कूल जा चुका था. नाउ लास्ट वन. मैं 1 आवर से स्कूल जा रहा था. तो मैं स्कूल जाता था या मैं स्कूल गया या मैं स्कूल गया था. ऑल आर सेम. नाउ मैं स्कूल जा रहा था, मैं स्कूल जा चुका था या मैं 1 आवर से स्कूल जा रहा था. नाउ मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा फ्यूचर. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँगा. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँगा. नाउ दिस इज मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँगा. मैं 1 आवर से स्कूल जा रहा हूँगा. सो वी कैन मेक हियर. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँ, मैं 1 आवर से स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. मैं स्कूल जाता था, मैं स्कूल गया, मैं स्कूल गया था. और सेम सेंटेंस. मैं स्कूल जा रहा था, मैं स्कूल जा चुका था, मैं 1 आवर से स्कूल जा रहा था. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँगा, मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँगा, मैं 1 आवर से स्कूल जा रहा हूँगा. As it is, we can make lots of Hindi sentences are more like मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश बोल चुका हूँ, मैं 1 आवर से इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ. मैं इंग्लिश बोलता था, मैंने इंग्लिश बोली या मैंने इंग्लिश बोली थी. ऑल आर सेम. मैं इंग्लिश बोल रहा था, मैं इंग्लिश बोल चुका था, मैं 1 आवर से इंग्लिश बोल रहा था. मैं इंग्लिश बोलूँगा फ्यूचर. मैं इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँगा, मैं इंग्लिश बोल चुका हूँगा, मैं 1 आवर से इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँगा. ना वी कैन टेक केयर. मैं चाय पीता हूँ, मैं चाय पी रहा हूँ, मैं चाय पी चुका हूँ, मैं 5 मिनट से चाय पी रहा. 5 मिनट्स, 4 मिनट्स. मैं चाय पीता था, मैंने चाय पी और मैंने चाय पी थी. ऑल आर सेम सेंटेंसेस. मैं चाय पी रहा था, मैं चाय पी चुका था, मैं 5 मिनट से चाय पी रहा था. मैं चाय पीऊँगा, मैं चाय पी रहा हूँगा, मैं चाय पी चुका हूँगा, मैं 5 मिनट से चाय पी रहा हूँगा। नाउ सम अदर सेंटेंसेस, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर चुका हूँ, मैं 10 मिनट से ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँ या 15 मिनट से ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता था, मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट किया या मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट किया था। मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा था, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर चुका था, मैं 15 मिनट से ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा था। मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करूंगा, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँगा, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर चुका हूँगा, मैं 15 मिनट से या 10 मिनट से ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँगा। These all are Hindi sentences. We can make with the help of this pattern, we can make thousands of sentences we can make. Got it? Now the question is here, how can we translate all Hindi into English sentences? The problem is here, how can we translate? This Hindi easily we are able to make all the Hindi sentences, but how can we translate all Hindi into English sentences? This is very simple and easy method here. Just you follow me and you see these clips not only once time, you will have to watch this clip at least 4 and 5 times. Thereafter your problem will be solved. And now once time little bit you will confused, and 60-70% you will know, but the fully you will not get now. So first of all I will request you all the viewers here, कि you will have to watch at least 4 and 5 times of this clips. Got it? Now मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. Here I am writing in English. I go to school. I go to school. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. So I am, because in previous chart there is written here कि here is am, here is have helping verb, here is have been. Now had, did, was, had and had been, and then will be and will have been. So we have to take every column has a different helping verb. So this is a am we will take here, have we will take have, then have been. Now did we will not take, but was, had and had been, will be, will have and will have been. Okay, so now I am taking here am, I am. Now स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, जाना means go, go में we will use here ing, तो going, I am going to school, I am going to school. मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँ, so I have, this is a helping verb, I have. The third form of the verb is gone, G-O-N-E, gone. I have gone to school. Now मैं 1 hour से स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, so here I have been going to school. I have been is a helping verb. And then go, there are 5 forms of go, went, gone, going and goes. I am writing here. Go, first form. Second form went. Third form gone. Fourth form going. And fifth form goes. First form is go, second form is went, third form gone, fourth form going and fifth form is go. There are 5 forms of verbs. So I will use here black marker here. So मैं स्कूल जाता था, मैं स्कूल गया था. Here I went to, I went to school. Here we will not take did. Helping verb we will not take here, without helping verb. In our first sentence, without helping verb we will make sentences. But in second sentence, in negative sentences, we will take helping verb here. I did not go. But in first sentence, we will take only second form of the verb. I went to school. मैं स्कूल जा रहा था. Here I was. I was going to school. मैं स्कूल जा चुका था. I had gone to school. मैं 1 hour से स्कूल जा रहा था. So I had been going to school for 1 hour. अगेन मैं स्कूल जाता था या मैं स्कूल गया है, मैं स्कूल गया था, आई वेंट टू स्कूल. मैं स्कूल जा रहा था, आई वाज गोइंग. मैं स्कूल जा चुका था, आई हैड गॉन. मैं 1 hour स्कूल जा रहा था, आई हैड बीन गोइंग टू स्कूल फॉर 1 hour. नाउ फ्यूचर, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. सो हियर आई विल go to school. SHALL, shell word is almost out of fashion, so we are using will here, and after some clips you will see the difference between will and shall. Not in this clip, I am not teaching you shell word here, but after some clips you will see कि words से actually difference between will and shall. Here I am using here will. You will also follow will here. So I will go to school. Here I will be going to school. Then I will have. I am taking will. Will is helping verb. And last chart I have drawn here. Will and will be and will have. I will have gone to स्कूल. मैं 1 hour से स्कूल जा रहा हूँगा. I will have been going to school for 1 hour. So this is a fully chart here. You can see here this is a present and definite tense. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, I go to school. Present continuous tense, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, I am going to school. Present perfect tense, मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँ, I have gone to school. Present perfect continuous tense, मैं 1 hour से स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, I have been going to school for, sorry I forgot here for writing for 1 hour. मैं now past and definite tense, मैं स्कूल जाता था या मैं स्कूल गया है, मैं स्कूल गया था. So I went to school, मैं स्कूल जा रहा था. Past continuous tense, तो I was going to school. Past perfect tense, मैं स्कूल जा चुका था, I had gone to school. Past perfect continuous tense, मैं 1 hour से स्कूल जा रहा था, I had been going to school for 1 hour. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, this is a future indefinite tense. Everybody? Now future indefinite, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, I will go to school. मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँगा, future continuous tense, I will be going to school. Future perfect tense, मैं स्कूल जा चुका हूँगा, I will have gone to school. And last one is future perfect continuous tense, मैं 1 hour से स्कूल जा रहा हूँगा, I will have been going to school for 1 hour. This is a fully chart, and I gave you some more examples here. कि you can make some more sentences like मैं English बोलता हूँ, other sentences. So speak is बोलना. There are 5 forms of speak, and then second form is spoke. If you are not able to see, you can voice me. Speak, spoke, and third one is spoken, and then speaking and speaks. 5 forms of verbs: speak, spoke, spoken, speaking, and speaks. So I am giving you some more example. मैं English बोलता हूँ, I speak English. Okay? So just the same sentence we have to put the speak here. मैं English बोल रहा हूँ, not स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. मैं English बोल रहा हूँ, I am speaking English. मैं English बोल चुका हूँ, I have spoken. Third form will be used here. Third form is spoken. Third form is gone. Okay, everybody? Spoken, तो I have spoken English. मैं 1 hour से English बोल रहा हूँ, so I have been speaking English for 1 hour. मैं English बोलता था या मैंने English बोली या मैंने English बोली. There are 3 sentences here in past indefinite. So I spoke English. I spoke English. Second form of the verb. मैं English बोल रहा था, I was speaking English. मैं English बोल चुका था, I had spoken English. मैं 1 hour से English बोल रहा था, I had been speaking English for 1 hour. मैं English बोलूँगा, I will speak. मैं English बोल रहा हूँ, I will be speaking. मैं English बोल चुका हूँ, I will have spoken. Okay? Now मैं 1 hour से इंग्लिश बोल रहा हूँ. I will have been speaking English for 1 hour. Now third example I want to teach you. Now take. Take means लेना या खाना. Take. Second form is took, and third form taken, and fourth form you can say taking, and last one is takes. Take means लेना भी होता है, खाना भी होता है, कुछ उठाना भी होता है ना. So I am using here. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ. I take breakfast. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँ. I am taking breakfast. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर चुका हूँ. I have taken. I have third form of the verb taken. I have taken breakfast. मैं 10 मिनट से ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँ. So I have been taking breakfast for 10 minutes. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता था या मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट किया या मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट किया था. All are same one. I took breakfast. Here second form of the verb. Second form. This is the second form. This is the second form. This is the second form. So took. We will take it. I took breakfast. Okay. ना मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा था. I was taking breakfast. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर चुका था. I had taken breakfast. मैं 10 मिनट से ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा था. I had been taking breakfast for 10 minutes. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करूंगा. I will take breakfast. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँगा. I will be taking breakfast. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट कर चुका हूँगा. I will have taken breakfast. मैं 10 मिनट से ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा हूँगा. I will have been taking breakfast for 10 minutes. So these sentences I am speaking here, but you will write at home. You will be writing there. You will write all the Hindi sentence firstly. You will draw the same chart. Same chart you will draw here. Thereafter in your copy, in your rough copy, you will write there कि मैं breakfast करता हूँ, मैं breakfast कर रहा हूँ, मैं breakfast कर चुका हूँ, है ना? मैं thereafter you will write I take breakfast, I am taking. So all the sentences you have to write in your copy. Okay. Now third example, fourth example I am going to teach you. Now मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ is over. मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ. मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ. Now fourth one I am taking now. मैं पानी पीता हूँ. Okay? मैं पानी पीता हूँ. तो how will you translate all Hindi into English sentence of मैं पानी पीता हूँ? So the पानी पीना means drink. Drink means पानी पीना. D-R-I-N-K. Second form is drank. D-R-A-N-K. Third form is drunk. D-R-U-N-K. And fourth form is drinking. Okay, and then drinks. There are 5 forms of verb drink. Now मैं पानी पीता हूँ. I drink water. I drink water. मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ. I am drinking water. मैं पानी पी चुका हूँ. I have drunk. Third form. I have drunk water. मैं 2 मिनट से पानी पी रहा हूँ या 1 मिनट से पानी पी रहा हूँ. So I have been drinking water for 2 minutes. मैं पानी पीता था या मैंने पानी पिया या मैंने पानी पिया था. I drank water. D-R-A-N-K. Second form of the verb. मैं पानी पी रहा था. I was drinking water. मैं पानी पी चुका था. I had drunk water. D-R-U-N-K. Drunk water. मैं 2 मिनट से पानी पी रहा था. I had been drinking water for 2 minutes. मैं पानी पीऊंगा. मैं पानी पीऊंगा. So here I am not using shall word here will. So I will drink water. मैं पानी पी रहा हूँगा. I will be drinking water. मैं पानी पी चुका हूँगा. I will have drunk water. मैं 2 मिनट से पानी पी रहा हूँगा. I will have been drinking water for 2 minutes. So as it is, you have to write at least more than 10 and 12 sentences. Now I taught you only 4 sentences here. है ना? मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ या मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ. मैं चाय पीता हूँ. मैं पानी पीता हूँ. These 4 example I have taught you now. But at home you will do practice in your copy at least 10 and 12 sentences of different type of sentences like मैं कंप्यूटर चलाता हूँ like this. Okay. Now मैं चाय बनाता हूँ, है ना? मैं लंच करता हूँ like this. You have to write at least 10 and 12 sentences. Thereafter you will know how you are becoming, how you are translating all Hindi into English sentences, which are very useful for our daily activities. These sentences. Now today is the first clip. Now the forthcoming clips I will teach you the advanced level of this all the sentences. Now I taught you only simple sentences, but in the second clip I will teach you the simple negative sentence, simple interrogative sentence, simple interrogative negative sentence, main interrogative sentence, and main interrogative negative sentences. In this way I will teach you all the present tense, then all the past tense and all future tense. The next clip I will teach you the same sentence of this one, same column here, but there will be 6 sentences: simple and simple negative, simple interrogative negative, main interrogative, and last one is main interrogative negative sentence. Okay, thank you all of you. The next clip I will show you how you can make up with the help of only 12 sentences. There are 12 columns are here, but 12 multiplies 6, it will be 12 multiplies 6, it will be 72 sentences I will teach you. Okay, all of you, thank you.